7 puppies playing in their new playground. And little Abby has turned into the most aggressive. Where's Abby? Right now they all look alike. Except for Pinky. And Max, of course. What's the matter, Pinky? I hear you. Nope, that's not Pinky. That's Max. There's Max. Third, Max is right in the middle. Right by, well, they're all over. Right there by Chloe. There's Max. Oh! Who's that sitting on the little pad? Oh, that's Orangey. No, that's Purpley. That's Charlotte. Charlie. There's Charlie climbing up. Playtime. Charlie, you looking at Mommy. Chloe, I look at you. Who's that? Who is that? Let's see who that is. Hey! Psst. Hey! Come here! Hi! Hi! Everybody come see Mommy. Mommy can't figure out why she can't get in. Oops, Pinky. Okay. Here's Greenie. Greenie, you gonna be on top of everybody? This is Abby. This is Yellow. We haven't got a name for him. We can't find a yellow collar. This is little Orangey. Still needs a home. Oh, who's that one? Here's Charlie. Say hi. This is Charlie. What's the matter? Come here, where's Max? Max is over. Oh, wait, where's Max? Where's Max? Here's Max. Here's Max. Hi, Max. Say hi, Daddy. Is that everybody? What are you barking at? What are you barking at? Charlie? Charlie.